Are we just one move away from an Ethereum breakout that could trigger a full-blown altcoin mania? The charts say yes. The signals are flashing. But will it actually happen? Or are we heading into another brutal fake-out? Today, I'm going to show you the exact levels, patterns, and momentum signals that could make or break this market. And for once, I'm stepping out of the usual wait-and-see approach and telling you what I really think is going to happen next. If you're holding Ethereum or any altcoins right now, this is the roadmap you've been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like because we're diving into what could be one of the most pivotal moments of this cycle. Let's jump in. Let's start with the altcoin market cap. It's coiled tight. One move away from breaking out of a multi-year structure. Altcoin holders can feel it, the tension, the anticipation, but we're not there yet. Now zoom into Ethereum. This chart is the key. Even if you don't hold ETH, this analysis matters because Ethereum often acts as the blueprint for altcoin performance. The first piece of the puzzle? Bitcoin dominance. Right now, it's sitting at the 50-week moving average, and this is not just a coincidence. The last time we were here was December 2024. Altcoins looked ready to explode, and then BTC dominance bounced and crushed the party. So, here's the cliffhanger. If dominance holds this line and starts rising, we might be headed into more pain for alts. But, and this is a huge but, if dominance breaks down, altcoin season may begin early. I'm watching this chart closely, and so should you. Let me show you the bullish scenario we all want to see. Ethereum's 20-week and 50-week moving averages have crossed above the 200-week, a macro bullish signal we haven't seen since the last cycle. Back then, a huge rally followed. Now combine that with a potential breakout above the $4,100 level. If ETH can do that, and do it with strength, we're talking mid-$4Ks, even $5,000 plus as early as next month. I want this to happen. Everyone does. But here's the twist. I don't think it's happening yet. As much as I want to be wrong, I believe Ethereum is headed into a longer consolidation phase.
Why?
Because this market is being manipulated hard. Exchanges, market makers, whales, they're playing both sides. Liquidating longs and shorts, driving narrative, faking momentum. And it's showing up in the charts. Look at Ethereum's symmetrical triangle. We broke down, bounced to retest the apex, and now we're grappling with a macro trendline. This resistance zone extends all the way back to the last bull market high. It's no joke. On the weekly, we're seeing the 20-week cross the 200, incredibly bullish, yes, but last time that happened, Ethereum pulled back sharply before the real rally started. Fractal flashback. August 2020. Let's go back to August 2020. Ethereum was in a very similar position. Same 2200 weekly moving average cross. Same sideways chop. Same risk score in the 40s. Ours is at 49 right now. And what happened? Ethereum consolidated into the 20-week MA, faked a couple breakouts, and then, boom, the real bull market began. I think that's exactly where we are right now. We could dip into the lower $3,000s, test that support, and accumulate before the actual breakout comes. And when that happens, you'll want to already be in position, not chasing green candles. Here's what I'm watching right now. If Ethereum breaks $4,100 with strength, game on. I'm wrong, and I'll admit it proudly. If ETH pulls back into $3,000 to $3,200, I'm expecting consolidation, but it could be the last dip before the breakout. Watch Bitcoin dominance, like a hawk. If it starts breaking down, altcoins will fly, but if it bounces, we could bleed lower. Also, watch ETF inflow data. If we see a dip and inflows increase, that's your signal. Accumulation is underway. So, what's the takeaway? Whether ETH breaks out or consolidates, you need a plan. Not emotions. Not hype. A clear roadmap. Know your targets. Set alerts. Monitor risk score levels. Look for 80s-90s to take profits. Don't FOMO. Don't panic. I'll say it again. I want to be so wrong about this. I hope I'm back here in 2 weeks saying, ETH is at $5,000. I was wrong. And I'll put it in the title with a smile on my face. But if not, at least we were ready. If this helped you stay one step ahead of the market, tap that like button. It really helps. And if you're new here, subscribe to Crypto Bulletin. I break down the crypto markets every single day with clear, no hype analysis. If you're not using our intelligence system yet, check it out. It could be the edge you need heading into the next bull run.